Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is January 30th, 2026, and we're diving into Air Products' fiscal 2026 first quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Air Products has delivered a robust performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Air Products reported a revenue of $3.1 billion for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, which is a 6% increase from the previous year. John, can you elaborate on the factors driving this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth was primarily driven by a 3% higher energy cost pass-through, favorable currency impacts, and improved pricing. Despite flat volumes due to lower helium demand, the company managed to increase its adjusted operating income by 12% to $757 million, with an operating margin of 24.4%.
And how did this impact their earnings per share?
The adjusted EPS came in at $3.16, which is a 10% increase from last year and exceeded the top end of their guidance. This demonstrates Air Products' ability to optimize large projects and maintain capital discipline effectively.
Segment performance. John, let's delve into the performance across different segments. How did each region contribute to the overall results?
In the Americas, sales were up 4% to $1.3 billion, driven by higher energy cost pass-through and improved pricing. Asia saw a 2% increase in sales to $832 million, with productivity-driven cost improvements boosting operating income. Europe experienced a 12% sales increase to $782 million, benefiting from favorable currency and higher volumes. Meanwhile, the Middle East and India maintained stable income at $85 million.
It seems like a well-rounded performance across the board. Any particular challenges they faced?
Yes, the helium market posed some challenges, particularly in Asia, where lower helium demand affected pricing. However, Air Products managed to offset these challenges with strong operational efficiencies and cost management.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Moving on to strategic initiatives, Air Products has been quite active. Can you tell us more about their recent developments?
Certainly. Air Products announced advanced negotiations with Yara International for low-emission ammonia projects, and they secured over $140 million in contracts with NASA for liquid hydrogen supply. Additionally, they increased their quarterly dividend to $1.81 per share, marking the 44th consecutive year of dividend increases.
And what about their future outlook?
Air Products is maintaining its full-year adjusted EPS guidance of $12.85 to $13.15 and expects capital expenditures of approximately $4.0 billion for fiscal 2026. This reflects their confidence in ongoing projects and strategic investments.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of $3.04 based on a survey of 8 analysts. How did Air Products perform in this regard?
Air Products exceeded expectations with an adjusted EPS of $3.16, surpassing the forecasted $3. This beat highlights their operational strength and ability to manage costs effectively, even amidst market challenges.
And what does this mean for investors?
For investors, this performance indicates a strong management team capable of delivering consistent results. The company's ability to exceed EPS forecasts is a positive signal for future earnings potential.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Air Products has shown a solid start to fiscal 2026 with strong revenue growth, an EPS beat, and strategic initiatives that position them well for the future. John, any final thoughts?
Air Products' performance this quarter underscores their resilience and strategic focus. With a robust pipeline of projects and a commitment to shareholder returns, they remain a compelling investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Air Products' performance in the comments below.